Before you buy Lemlist, there are 7 crucial things you need to know that can make or break your experience. Whether you're comparing it to other outreach software like Mailshake or Instantly, you'll want to know these key aspects so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. And by the way, if you're new here, you can actually try Lemlist for free through the first link in the description below, so stay tuned to get all the details. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Lemlist is known for its user-friendly interface, but don't let that fool you. It offers powerful features that require a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're new to email outreach. Compared to Mailshake, which can be a bit more straightforward but less customizable, Lemlist's features let you take full control over your campaigns. It's ideal for those who want to dive deep into automation and personalization. Next thing to consider is its personalization capabilities. Lemlist stands out because of its dynamic email personalization options. This goes far beyond just adding someone's first name. You can upload images, add custom text, and tailor your outreach in a way that feels more human. Now, if you've used something like Instantly, you might know that they have some level of personalization too, but Lemlist is superior when it comes to making your emails feel unique, which helps you avoid looking like another generic cold email in a prospect's inbox. The third thing you need to know is Lemlist's powerful email, tracking and reporting features. This is crucial if you want to improve your outreach campaigns continuously. Lemlist gives you real-time stats on your open rates, reply rates, and even click-through rates. These insights allow you to tweak your campaigns for better performance. Competitors like Reply.io offer similar analytics, but Lemlist's intuitive reporting makes it much easier to digest, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns at once. The fourth thing to consider is its deliverability rate. No matter how great your emails are, if they end up in the spam folder, they won't be effective. Lemlist puts a lot of emphasis on deliverability, offering features like domain warmup to help your emails reach your target inbox. Compared to other tools, Lemlist tends to have a better track record when it comes to inbox delivery, so if you're serious about your cold outreach, this is a feature you can't ignore. Next up is Lemlist's integrations. It offers seamless integrations with platforms like Zapier, Salesforce, and Pipedrive, which can save you hours of manual work by automating certain tasks. If you're someone who already relies on these tools, you'll appreciate how well Lemlist integrates with your existing tech stack. Other tools like Mailshake have some integrations, but Lemlist's flexibility in this area really sets it apart. Sixth thing, pricing. Lemlist is more expensive than some competitors, especially if you're just starting out. But here's the thing, you get what you pay for. The added price comes with access to a wealth of features that are designed to improve your outreach results, not just the volume of your emails. If you're looking for advanced features and real results, Lemlist offers solid value for your investment. Other tools like Woodpecker might be more affordable, but they lack some of the advanced personalization features Lemlist offers. Finally, let's talk about customer support. Lemlist offers excellent customer service with responsive support via live chat, plus a solid knowledge base that can help you solve most issues quickly. In comparison, some of the more budget-friendly tools might leave you in the dark when you need help the most. So, when you're investing in a tool for email outreach, you want to know you can rely on support when you need it, and Lemlist provides that. If you're thinking about getting Lemlist, remember you can try it out for free through the first link in the description below. It's the best way to get a feel for the software before making any commitments. And by clicking through, you'll also get some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Don't miss out on this opportunity. So, there you have it. 7 key things you need to know before buying Lemlist. Whether you're comparing it to other outreach tools or considering it as your first choice, now you've got the full picture. If you're ready to get started, make sure to click the first link in the description to grab your free trial and start maximizing your email outreach today.